Hey beauties, welcome to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. For today, we are going to turn ourselves into Jessica Rabbit. So I hope you guys have been enjoying the tutorials. So far, we have done, there's going to be a Dia de los Muertos. And then we're going to also have this tutorial, which is our third installment for Halloween. And it is Jessica Rabbit. So let me know if you guys are feeling this. I hope you guys have been loving these tutorials. And I will see you guys soon. If you continue to watch, don't forget to like, comment below, and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. Subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. Subscribe. Hey, subscribe. Subscribe to my channel if you guys are not subscribed. Thank you for your support. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye. Alright beauties, now we're going to start off with the brows. I'm using the Elmer's glue stick to flatten my brows because I'm going to conceal them. So in order to conceal them, you have to add layers of glue and brush them up until they are pretty much completely covered and there's like a thick coat over them. So I went in about 3 to 4 times with the glue to make sure that it was thick enough to have them covered so that when I put my foundation over it, it would just be a blank face right there. Then I went in with this MAC NC44. And it's a foundation stick. It's my actually first time using it, and I'm using that to start to conceal the brow, and it actually had pretty good coverage. So I'm going to be trying this on my face soon on a trying all new things video because I haven't tried a lot of new things lately. Then I'm going to go in with the Huda Beauty foundation because I need full coverage. And this foundation is the most full coverage foundation that I have used and I have found. So I definitely would recommend if you're looking for full coverage to go with that foundation. Then I'm using my fan to just dry it down some. Now I'm going in with my e.l.f. Matte Oil Control Lotion so that we can get the face mattified. And I'm just going around my whole face with that because I am oily. Then we're going in with the e.l.f. poreless primer. This is going to fill in our pores and give us a smooth finish when we put on our makeup application. And I'm just tapping that in and rubbing in it as well to make sure that it stays. And then I went in with my chalk dust powder from the crayon case in the letter A to set my entire face. And this is the color that's like my complexion. I like to use that first. Then I go in with my foundation. And this is the Huda Beauty foundation once again. And it is super full coverage. If you want a flawless finish, this is the foundation you want to use. And I'm just blending that in to the areas where I want my foundation. Then I'm going to go in with my 16 concealer from Juvia's Place and my benin foundation stick from Juvia's Place as my contour. And we're going to blend that foundation out again. I just kind of spread it before, and now we're going to start to blend it out. And just take your time with the brush, just pat it out. I'm actually using a Morphe brush in order to pat this out. And I just like to do patting motions versus swiping, just because if you swipe, it shears it out. Now that I've blended out the foundation, I'm blending out the contour. These are the steps I kind of do it in. Foundation, blend out the contour, and then blend out the highlight because I want to allow the highlight to get a little tacky so it'll give me a little bit more coverage. So I'm just taking my time right now and blending this out. And I forgot to blend under my chin, but I'm going to get it later. So if you see that, don't clock me, okay? So I'm using my sponge. Now this is a Profusion sponge from Lashing Out Glam. And it is really soft and I really love how the sponge blends out. And I'm using that to blend out the concealer. And you're going to see the face come together as we blend this out. I love the full coverage finish. The way it looked came out so nice. With the Huda foundation, and I've had the Huda foundation for a while. I don't typically use it every day because it is a full coverage foundation, but when you do use it, flawless. So here we are. I'm looking crazy, like I don't have any brows, but I did see that it was not as concealed as I wanted, so I went back in a little, as you're going to see later. So right now I'm just setting the face again with the chalk dust powder in the letter A. Just mattifying the face and making sure to get rid of all of the shine. And then we're going to go in with the highlighting and contouring powders. I like to set my face first with the chalk dust powder in the letter A, which is a powder that's like my complexion, because it will give you less flashback or no flashback when you put on your highlighting color. So if you just go straight in with the highlighting powder and don't set your face, you tend to have flashback. So now I'm going in with the Beauty Bakery Plantain flour powder from, I said Beauty Bakery already. So yeah, that's the Beauty Bakery flour powder in Plantain. Then this is the contoursition notebook from the crayon case. And this is my favorite contour powder. It is the perfect complexion for me. And I'm just blending that in the areas where I contoured. And always blend up. When you are working with contour, blend up. You don't want it to go under the cheekbone. Gonna blend side of the nose, fix that nose contour. Then, like I said, I wanted to conceal the brows once again, so I just concealed it a little bit more with the 16 concealer from Juvia's Place, because I want them to look like they do not exist. So I'm just going over that once again. Now I'm going in with the Ecstasy Mitchell paint, and I am outlining where I want to have my eyeshadow for this Jessica Rabbit look. And I'm just going to make this really big circular eyeshadow look, because that's how her eyeshadow is for the cartoon. So it's going over where I concealed the brows, and that's why I had to conceal the brows, because her eyeshadow is so high. And we're just blending that out now with the flat brush. I don't want to go into the center, because the center is actually going to be a lighter color. Now that that's tapped out, I'm going in with the second color. This color is called Ibiza, and I'm just blending that into Ecstasy and waiting until it has a nice gradient. So just keep on patting and patting and patting, and it will start to blend together. And I went back in with a little bit of Ecstasy and blended that out. So now it has a seamless blend. Now I just went in with my Lashing Out Glam Graffiti Liner in the color Brick. And I'm using that to create the new brows. So those brows are actually on my forehead. And I'm trying to give it more of a hair-like stroke so it looks a little natural, but it's still going to be pretty cartoonish, because of course it's based off of the cartoon, and she kind of just had lines for brows. These graffiti liners are very pigmented, so they are actually really perfect for doing things like this. And you're going to see, even just cleaning it up, how easily it cleans up without smearing, and I didn't have to worry about having, you know, a red smudge once the concealer mixed with it. So I really love these liners for sure. If you are interested in getting some Hydra liners, shop Lashing Out Glam and use the code Yolanda to save some extra money. And they actually have an anniversary sale right now that's about to end this week. So if you want to get some Hydra liners, make sure that you go get them this week while they're on sale. And look at how perfect that brow came out. Now I'm going over my eye. As you can see on the other eye, I'm going to bling this out with some glitter. So I'm going to be using my glitter from J Glitz for the outer part, and in the middle I'm going to be using my glitter from J LaRue Cosmetics. And they are two different glitter companies. J Glitz is the dark purple one I'm doing right now, and J LaRue is the more lavender color. I'm going to be doing it in the center. They both have gorgeous reflex, so I recommend both companies for glitters. I actually love both. And I know J LaRue has been having some good sales, and J Glitz usually has really good prices. actually like J-Glitz. Usually I just get the sample jars because I don't use glitter all the time, so I don't really need the big things. And then you can see I just saw in the front I needed to conceal my brow a little bit more. I added a little concealer and then I set it with the powder and just blended it away. And I feel like it got rid of that extra hair I was seeing. Fixed my brow. And now I'm blending away all of the excess powder that I had on my face. Now I'm going in with my Sharpie liner from the crayon case. And I'm going to actually give myself a little bit of inner corner liner where it kind of gets a cat eye. Just a tiny bit, not too much. And I'm not going to wing this out, of course, because this is really not a winged out look. But I felt like having that part in the front just added a little something to it. So I wanted to do that. And I love how it came out. Then I'm using my Inglot 77 liner for my waterline. That is my favorite liner for my waterline because it's super black. And then I'm going into my matte book palette once again with my glisser brush. And I am smudging the purple underneath my eye. I love a smudged under eye, so I always do that because I have lines under my eyes and it kind of helps to conceal that. So I'm going in, I went in with my Fenty mascara as you saw, and then this is my duo glue, and I'm adding Fruits Cosmetics lashes and orange peel. Then I added my duo glue to the bottom of my eye, and I added my lashes from Ardell and the faux mink individuals. And then I'm going into the blush binder now from the crayon case, and I used these two colors to create my bronzer. So I'm bronzing up my face now, giving it some definition. And as you can see, it just really adds just a perfect tint. Then I'm going into the blush in the blush binder right there and adding that to the balls of my cheek. Going into my e.l.f. blotting powder, and I like to use this just to set the whole face and make sure there's no excess shine anywhere because I am oily like I told you guys. And I'm using my crayon case crawfish lipstick, which is the perfect beautiful cherry red, and I'm just getting that nice and popping. And I really could have left the look just like this because it looks so good just like this, but y'all know me, I am all about the glam, so I had to step it up and use my chunky glitter that I got from Amazon. That's super beautiful and reflective, and make a glitter lip to go with these glitter eyes. Because I kept seeing Jessica Rabbit looks, but everybody was doing kind of the same thing. So I was like, I'm about to do this look and I'm going to glam it out. And I did it with the glitter, and I wasn't sure how that was going to look because of how big the eyes look. But it came out so beautiful, and I'm so happy I tried it. And most of my looks, if you go to my Instagram page, for my Halloween looks, I have made them all glammed out. So yes, we have a glammed out Pennywise, we have a glammed out Jessica Rabbit, we have a glammed out Poison Ivy, we have a glammed out everything. So make sure to go to my page so you guys can see all of the looks that I've been doing under Beauty by Yolanda on Instagram. I have been doing so many looks and they're all super cute while still going along with the theme. And that is it, you guys. Alright, beauty, so this is the final look. I hope you guys are enjoying this Jessica Rabbit realness I'm giving you. Let me pull this up so you can see a little bit more the booby part, because I did get my little red dress, and I'm so here for it. This is so cute, you guys. I've been having a whole bunch of fun with this Halloween, and I hope you guys have been enjoying the tutorials I've been giving you. I've been trying to give you as much as I can. Also, there are some looks on Instagram that are not on YouTube, so follow Beauty by Yolanda on Instagram so you can see all of the looks that I've done for Halloween. I've really gone in this Halloween, y'all. So let me know if you guys are feeling these looks. I hope you guys are enjoying these tutorials and that they're helpful if you are trying to do these costumes. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to let people know. Come watch Beauty by Yolanda to get that inspo, okay? Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. Subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. Subscribe. Hey, subscribe to my channel if you guys are not subscribed, and don't forget to be your own kind of beautiful, because there's only one you. Bye.